Hey, my name is Sandra and I'm with Two-Way Direct. Today I'm going to show you how to install your wrist strap to your radio. So here I have the CP200D and I have the wrist strap. You'll see that there's a smaller portion and a larger portion of the lanyard. So with the smaller portion, we're going to want to keep it tight and push it through the loop here. And you pull through all the way, and the larger part of the lanyard, you're going to pull through the smaller loop and you pull tight. And there you go. This wrist strap provides extra protection in case you're on your radio constantly. It just provides that extra security. So if you're on it constantly and you accidentally drop it, you'll have some sort of catch. And that's if you're not using a earpiece or remote speaker mic. This just is an extra level of protection. For more tips and tricks, visit our website at twaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.